Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. A bamboo fence is a type of fence made primarily from bamboo, a fast growing renewable resource known for its strength and durability. Bamboo fencing is popular in many parts of the world, especially in Asia where bamboo is abundant. It offers a natural and aesthetically pleasing way to create privacy, define boundaries, or add a decorative element to outdoor spaces. Here are some key features and considerations for bamboo fences. Natural aesthetics. Bamboo fencing has a unique rustic appearance that can add a touch of natural beauty to gardens, yards, or outdoor living spaces. Privacy. Bamboo fences can provide privacy when installed closely together. The dense growth of bamboo plants and the tightly woven design of bamboo fence panels make them effective at blocking the view from outside. Durability. Bamboo is naturally resistant to pests and decay, making it a durable material for outdoor use. However, it's essential to choose high quality bamboo and treat it to ensure longevity. Sustainability. Bamboo is an eco-friendly material because it grows rapidly, requires minimal water and pesticides, and can be harvested without killing the plant, making it a renewable resource. Versatility. Bamboo fences come in various styles and designs, from simple roll-up panels to intricate patterns. You can choose the style that best suits your aesthetic preferences. Installation. Installing bamboo fences typically involves attaching the panels to wooden or metal posts. Depending on your preference, you can install them horizontally or vertically. Maintenance. Bamboo fences require some maintenance to ensure they remain in good condition. This may include cleaning, sealing, and occasional replacement of damaged sections. Cost. The cost of bamboo fencing can vary depending on the quality and style you choose. While it can be more affordable than some other fence materials, high quality bamboo and professional installation can increase the overall cost. Climate consideration. Bamboo fencing can be susceptible or weathering in extreme climates, so it's important to consider your local climate when choosing and maintaining bamboo fencing. Legal considerations. Depending on your location, there may be regulations or restrictions on the use of bamboo fencing, so it's essential to check whether local authorities or homeowners associations before installation. Overall, bamboo fencing can be an excellent choice for those looking for an environmentally friendly, aesthetically pleasing, and moderately priced fencing option. However, it's crucial to select high quality bamboo and ensure proper installation and maintenance to maximize its lifespan and functionality.